Hello, my dear children. Welcome back. How are you all? Hope you all good. So, children, before going to start the class, you need to sit along with your maths textbook, pencil, and eraser. So, let's start the second chapter, numbers up to 20 of grade 1 maths. Now, children, observe the screen, count and write how many. So, you should observe the picture, children. So, they gave an example, trees. So, in this picture, how many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 trees. So, we should write 5 in the circle. Okay, like this, you should write all these numbers. So, people. In this picture, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 people. So we should write 3 in the circle. Then ducks. Count the number of ducks. How many ducks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 ducks. So we should write 8 in the circle. Then houses. We should observe how many houses are there in this picture? 1. Yes, we should write 1 in the circle. Then eggs. How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 eggs. So we should write 6 in the circle. Then fish. How many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, there are 7 fishes. So we should write 7 in the circle. Then hens. How many hens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 hens. So we should write 4 in the circle. Then baskets. How many baskets are there? 1 and 2. There are 2 baskets. So we should write 2 in the circle. So next part is numbers 1 to 10. Count and write the numbers and number names. Read them aloud. So children, you should trace these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After tracing the numbers, you should write their number names in these empty boxes. ONE1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. So like this you should write all the number names and numbers, children. Then observe the next part. Count and circle the correct numbers. So children, now observe the picture. There are so many toys. In first picture there are so many toys. So you should count the toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 toys. So we should observe the numbers and we should circle the number which is the correct number. So here there are 6 toys. So we should circle the number 6. So second picture, observe the second picture, children. So there are cars. How many cars are there? 1 and 2. So there are 2 cars. So we should circle the number 2. Then third picture, there are so many pencils. So you should count them and circle the correct number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 pencils. So we should circle the number 9. Next picture. So there are so many balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 balls. So we should circle the number 5. Next picture. In the next picture, there are balloons. So how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 balloons. So we should circle the number 3. Okay, children, in the last picture, there are cups. So how many cups are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. In the last picture, there are 4 cups. So we should circle the number 4. So children, next main, count and write the numbers. Match them with the number names. So in the first picture, there are 3 dogs. How many dogs? 3. 1, 2, 3. So you need to write 3 in the given circle, and you should match that number with the number name. THREE, 3. So that is first one is an example. So second, you should observe the second picture, children. So there are some leaves. How many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 leaves. So you should write 5 in the circle. Then you should match that 5 with the number name. FIVE, 5. So then there are books. Some books. How many books? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 books. So you should write 4 in the circle. Then you should match that 4 with the number name. FOUR, 4. Then lastly, there are bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bananas. So you should write 6 in the circle, and then we should match that 6 with SIX, 6. So children, 0. There are 2 apples in the basket. Rehan and Neha ate 1 apple each. So here Rehan and Neha both together ate both the apples. So now in the basket, how many apples are left over? Yes, children, now there are no apples in the basket. So when nothing is left, we say it as 0. We write 0 as, see the screen, children. So you should write 0 as like that. Okay. Then next main, count and write the number of birds sitting on each branch. So observe the first picture, children. How many birds are sitting in a branch? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 birds which are sitting on the branch. So we should write 4 in the circle, in the first circle. So then observe the second picture, children. How many birds are sitting on the branch? 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 birds sitting on the branch. So we should write 3 in that circle. Then observe the third picture, children. So how many birds are sitting on the branch? 1, 2. 2 birds are sitting on the branch. So we should write 2 in the circle. Then in the fourth picture, only 1 bird is sitting on the branch. So we should write 1 in the circle. So lastly, children, how many birds are sitting in the branch now? Yes, there are no birds. There are no birds are sitting on the branch. So we should write 0. We should write 0 in the circle. Next, write the number 0. So children, now you should trace these 0. Okay. making 10. So in the first picture, there are some pencils. So how many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 pencils. So all together form a bundle. So a bundle of 10 pencils. So in the next picture, there are some blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 blocks. So all these together, a pile of 10 blocks. Then there are 10 grapes. So all these grapes form a branch of 10 grapes. So in these numbers, tens, we should write 0 in one's place. 0 in one's place and 1 in tens place. So 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 is a 2-digit number. 1 and 0 are used to write 10. We write 0 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. So children, hope you all enjoyed the class. We will meet again in the next class with the next topic. Thank you.